Hello, what is your name?
I'm Karen Robles.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
What is your religion?
I am Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
I'm not married.
Single mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm single mother.
So, do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have one boy.
How old?
He's 7 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working in 1 year and 7 months.
7 months. Okay, so do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, I have
2 years.
2 years.
In
Middle East,
Okay.
Bahrain.
So, how long have you been working with your previous employer?
1 year and 7 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Living in Taipo Plaza.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
422 square meters.
Okay, how many family members there?
3 members.
How many children?
1 kid.
How old?
His boy, 9 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Yes, I wake up in the morning. It's around 6:30, and after that, I will fix myself and I prepare the breakfast with the kid, and I prepare for the school, and then going to school. After the school, I will go to market, and then I go to home and I cleaning little while, and then after I cleaning around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I will go to school to pick up the kids, and then we will go home, and around 6:30 I prepare for food for dinner, and then after my work day is I finish around 10 o'clock, and 10:30 I go to sleep.
Okay, thank you so much.